But the best part of the trip is when you leave Podgorica, heading to the northern town of Belo Polje. The railway follows the impressive canyon of river Moraca, with taller cliffs as the train advances to the north. Some of the tributaries of river Moraca have to be crossed, and the most spectacular bridge is over what is called the small river, Mala Reka.
It's a bridge, we cross it! It's supposed to be the highest bridge in Europe. And also, I know that it was built during only 4 years.
Which is not a long time for such a difficult project. Due to the difficulty of the terrain, it took nearly 20 years to connect Belgrade with the Montenegrin seaside.
That is strange for me that here people slug it everywhere. Not like in most European countries. Just 1 minute ago, police came and asked for passports, so if you're traveling by train in Montenegro, it's quite strange, but you need to be prepared and better to take passports with you.
Something to keep in mind is that the Yugoslavian wars affected the safety of this railway, and nowadays the full trip takes 7 instead of 5 hours to complete, as repairing the railroads is too expensive for a country that just finished a series of war, and the solution they implemented was to slow down the trains with speed limits. But if you are a tourist in this country, this means more time to enjoy impressive landscapes that are insured until the last minute reaching Belo Polje town.
Toilets. Oh, sometimes it can be better. Cow. Can you? Fresh air, finally. I'm just didn't get used for the cigarettes in the trains. It took only about 3 hours from the coastline, from Bar to the north part, to the mountains in the city, Belo Polje. Only 3 hours to discover whole country in one trip.